cozy little house, not far away, lived a cat named Tom who loved to play. His stripes were gray, his paws were neat. He tiptoed softly on his little feet. Jerry the mouse was tiny and sly, with twinkling eyes and a cheerful sigh. He loved his cheese, oh yes he did, and always escaped when Tom forbid. One sunny day, Tom took a nap, dreaming of catching Jerry in his trap. But Jerry was quick with a wiggle and dash. He zoomed past the couch in a whirling flash. Tom woke up with a mighty roar. He chased Jerry across the floor. They zigged and they zagged, they tumbled and spun, round and round, oh what fun! Jerry hid in a teapot, peeked from the rim. Tom tiptoed closer, his chances slim. Then Jerry leaped with a mischievous cheer and ran through the house with Tom near. The vase went crash, the pillows flew. Tom slipped on a rug and off he flew. Jerry giggled from behind the chair. Tom shook his head and ran everywhere. At the end of the day, when the sun sank low, Tom sat tired, moving very slow. Jerry nibbled his cheese, safe for the night, both dreaming of tomorrow's parallel fight. For though they fought and chased and hid, they were the best friends that anyone ever did. A cat and a mouse in a house so merry. Forever adventures of Tom and Jerry.